41. The image below shows a longitudinal section of the flower Delonix regia, the flamboyant. When cells from structure A combine with cells from structure C, this is known as A, pollination. Structure A representing the stamen, which contains the pollen grains, and structure C representing the ovary, which contains the female gametes. The thickened endometrium of the uterus is maintained by the hormone progesterone. Answer C. Each of the following is not found in the urine of a healthy human being. The answer is C, glucose, which is typical of a human being who suffers from diabetes. Urea, salt, and water are all found in the urine of humans. When the biceps contract, the elbow bends. ATP is consumed, but the light bands become more narrow, so therefore the answer is 1 and 3 only. Answer B. Clotting factors are released by platelets and damaged cells, so the answer is D, platelets. The diagram below shows the gametes formed in meiosis. Which of the following is not a recombinant? Recombination will occur when crossing over allows this big A to combine with this little b. So a gamete, like this one, would be a recombinant, and so would be a gamete like this one. But a gamete where the two big letters, or the two that came together on this chromosome, stay together, and the two that came together on this chromosome stay together, these are not recombinants. So therefore, 1 is not a recombinant, and 4 is not a recombinant. Answer B. A high level of abscisic acid is associated with the closing of the stomata. A transmembrane channel which is going to be exposed to the aquatic environment and to the polarity of water molecules would itself have to be lined by polar amino acids. Answer B. Which of the following is not an adaptation of a xerophyte? Xerophytes are plants that are specially adapted for living in dry conditions, and they have special modifications to conserve water. One such strategy is to have thick cuticles. Another one is to have leaves that have been reduced to spines, like in the cactus, or hairs around sunken stomata, or deep roots. So therefore, shallow roots is clearly not an adaptation of a plant that's adapted for living in dry conditions. So therefore, the answer is C. And finally, the image below is an example of a dicot stem. Answer A.